So today I'm going to show you an activity through which your kids would love to be engaged, and it's creative. It will keep them engaged for a long time, and they will learn something, and they will learn control on how they paint and everything, and it's really nice for the development as well. So I hope you enjoy this activity. Now let's start. We have here Inaya with us. Hi Inaya. Okay, would you help us today? Okay. And we have some colors. Can you show us the colors, baby? Yes. Okay, we have all these colors. Could you open them for me? We have all the 6 primary colors. Then we have our paint palette. Can you show me the palette, Inaya? Yes. So we have a palette with some water, and we have 2 different brushes for us. Here are some pistachios that we have kept it, washed them, and kept it for use. So these are all the things that you would need, and some extra paper if you would want to keep it, just so that the mat is not. Let's start. So first we have taken out the green color in the palette very carefully. Let your kid do it only, so that they also enjoy the process. Inaya, which color now?
Black.
Black. Okay, take it out. Take out a little bit of black. Alright, that's enough. Close it.
Close or
keep an extra cloth just in case it gets
this is
spoiled.
Extra.
Okay, right. Okay, so Inaya is painting the pista now. Beautiful. One done. Okay, next one. Can you do the second one? Beautiful. Are you enjoying it?